In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a .msg file without using Microsoft Outlook. For those of you who might not be familiar, .msg files are typically email messages created or saved by Microsoft Outlook. If you don't have Outlook on your computer, opening these files can seem like a bit of a puzzle, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple, cost-free solution. First and foremost, you'll want to find a free MSG viewer online. This is a tool that allows you to access and read .msg files without requiring Outlook. To begin, let's go ahead and open Google on your web browser. Once you're on the Google homepage, in the search bar, type in free MSG viewer and hit enter. Among the various options that appear, one reliable choice you can explore is Encryptomatic's website. It's a user-friendly site that offers a straightforward tool for viewing .msg files. Once you've navigated to www.encryptomatic.com, you'll find their free MSG viewer, which is really convenient for those who don't want to go through the hassle of installing software. On their site, you should quickly see the option to select your file. This feature provides a simple, streamlined interface to upload your .msg file directly from your computer. Click on Choose File, which will prompt a window to pop up, allowing you to browse through the files saved on your computer. Locate the .msg file you wish to open and select it. With your file chosen, you just need to click on View. The tool will then process your file and display it for you. This typically takes just a few moments, and voila, you can now easily read your email just as if you were viewing it in Outlook. It's important to remember that while these tools make it possible to view .msg files quickly, they do have limitations. For instance, if your .msg file contains attachments or complex formatting, the viewer may not display everything perfectly. But for simply reading email content, they work wonderfully. To sum up, using a free tool like the one on Encryptomatic's website takes just a few clicks. This is a fantastic option to have at your fingertips whenever you come across MSG files that need opening. As always, make sure to use trusted websites to avoid any issues with data security. That's it for today's tutorial on opening a .msg file without Outlook. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.